Hello, and welcome to our video on the surprising benefits of eating eggs daily. Eggs are a common staple in many households, but did you know that they can provide a wide range of health benefits? In this video, we'll explore the many ways that eggs can improve your nutrition, boost your brain function, and even help you lose weight. First, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to function properly. They're also low in calories, which makes them an excellent choice for people who are trying to maintain a healthy weight. In fact, studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast can help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce your overall calorie intake throughout the day. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that's essential for brain function. Choline is used to create neurotransmitters that help your brain communicate with your body. It's also important for memory and cognitive function. Eating eggs daily can help ensure that your brain has the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Another benefit of eating eggs daily is weight loss. As we mentioned earlier, eggs are low in calories and high in protein. This combination can help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day and lose more weight than those who don't. But what about the cholesterol in eggs? For years, people were told to avoid eggs because they were thought to raise cholesterol levels. However, recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol doesn't have as much of an impact on blood cholesterol levels as once thought. In fact, eating eggs in moderation can be part of a healthy diet for most people. So there you have it, the surprising benefits of eating eggs daily. From improved brain function to weight loss and more, eggs are a versatile and nutritious food that can help you achieve your health goals. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to incorporate this nutritious food into your diet. Remember, eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins and minerals, and can help improve your brain function and aid in weight loss. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.